Good morning, students. Today's next part of halogen derivatives, that is preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbon. Alkyl halides are formed from saturated as well as unsaturated hydrocarbons by various reactions. Halogenation of alkene is not suitable for the preparation of alkyl halide because of halogenation of alkanes produces different products. For example, chlorination of methane produces methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform and carbon tetrachloride. So that's why halogenation of alkane is not suitable for preparation of alkyl halide as a mixture of mono or polyhalogen compound is formed. So for example, when ethane is reacted with chlorine, when ethane is reacted with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it produces ethyl chloride. 11th standard में reaction देखी है ये halogenation of alkene. When ethane is reacted with bromine in presence of anhydrous aluminum bromide, it produces ethyl bromide. This is a substitution reaction. Hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by halogen and alkane produces alkyl halide. But when excess of methane, when it is reacted with excess of chlorine, when methane it is reacted with excess of chlorine, it produces methyl chloride, mixture of four different products of hydrocarbons: methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. But when alkane, when it is treated with limited amount of halogen, it produces only one product, monohalogen derivatives. For example, when ethane is treated with reactions, यहाँ पर नहीं दी है, reaction textbook मध्ये दिलेल्या नाही आहेत, मी नंतर सेंड करेन त्या. When ethane is reacted with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it produces chloroethane plus HCl. It is a substitution reaction. When ethane is reacted with bromine in presence of anhydrous aluminum bromide, it produces bromoethane plus HBr. And when ethane is reacted with iodine in presence of oxidizing agent like HgO, mercuric oxide, HiO3, iodic acid and nitric acid, HNO3. Because of direct iodination reaction is not possible. So when ethane is reacted with iodine in presence of HgO or HiO3 or HNO3, it produces ethyl iodide. So this is preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbon, that is alkane. Now addition of hydrogen halide to alkene. Addition of hydrogen halide to alkene. Alkene means carbon carbon double bond. Hydrogen halides like HCl, HBr or HI. When alkene is reacted with HCl, HBr or HI, the addition can be take place according to Markovnikov rule. But in presence of peroxide, this addition can be take place according to anti-Markovnikov rule. It is known as peroxide effect or crash effect. Alkyl halide are formed on addition of hydrogen halide to alkene. So this is the Markovnikov rule. The addition can be take place according to Markovnikov rule as well as anti-Markovnikov rule if the alkene is unsymmetrical alkene. For example, when ethene is a symmetrical alkene. Ethene when reacted with HCl or HBr or HI, it produces ethyl bromide, ethyl chloride or ethyl iodide. But when unsymmetrical alkene is treated with HCl, HBr or HI, the negative part of hydrogen halide gets attached to that unsaturated carbon which carries lesser number of hydrogen. This is known as Markovnikov rule. But the addition of hydrogen halide to an unsymmetrical alkene in presence of peroxide, the addition can be take place in such a way that the negative part of the reagent gets attached to that unsaturated carbon which carries more number of hydrogen. For example, one problem is there. How will you obtain 1-bromo-1-methyl cyclohexane from alkene? Write possible structure of alkene and the reaction involved. Which is the possible structure? So this is methyl cyclohexane. Methyl cyclohexane containing double bond. double bond is present between two carbon, and this two carbon, which carbon carries less number of hydrogen? The carbon atom which is attached to methyl group, that carbon carries less number of hydrogen, and another carbon is attached to more number of hydrogen. So when methyl cyclohexane, it is treated with HBr, the negative part means Br minus, Br is the negative part, gets attached to कार्बन विच कॅरीज लेस नंबर ऑफ हायड्रोजन. सो ज्या कार्बनला CH3 जोडलेला आहे त्या कार्बनला हायड्रोजन कमी आहे, त्यामुळे त्या कार्बनला Br जाईल आणि इट प्रोड्युसेस मिथाइल ब्रोमो मिथाइल सायक्लोहेक्झेन. वन ब्रोमो वन मिथाइल सायक्लोहेक्झेन. वन मोर एक्झाम्पल, मिथिलीन सायक्लोहेक्झेन. मिथिलीन cyclohexane when it is reacted with HBr, it produces 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexane. Okay, now one question is given for you. Use your brain power. तुम्हाला हे तीन रिॲक्शन सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट वन, propylene CH3- double bond CH2 when it is treated with HBr, it gives which is a major product and which is a minor product. It is a Markovnikov's rule. When propylene is reacted with HBr, it produces 2 bromopropane as a major product and 1 bromopropane as a minor product. 11th स्टैंडर्ड ला झालेला, 11th स्टैंडर्ड को ये रिएक्शन हुई है. ओके, अल्किन में. सो विच इज अ मेजर प्रोडक्ट? 2 bromopropane is a major product and 1 bromopropane is a minor product. This is the addition of hydrogen halide, hydrohalogenation reaction. One more reaction, that is 2-methyl butene. CH3, C ला 2 CH3 जोडले, that is CH3 twice C, double bond CH3 when it is treated with HBr in presence of peroxide. This is the anti-Markovnikov's rule. This reaction, this is anti-Markovnikov's rule. In presence of peroxide, so which is a major product and which is a minor product? So negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon which carries more number of hydrogen, so it produces 2 bromo 3 methyl propane as a major product, 2 bromo 3 methyl propane as a major product and minor product, 2 bromo 2 methyl propane as a minor product according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. Now one more example, when propylene is treated with HBr in presence of peroxide, this is anti-Markovnikov's rule. This is known as peroxide effect or Crash-Mayo effect. Now in this reaction, which is a major product? The negative part gets attached to that carbon carries more number of hydrogen in presence of peroxide. So Br gets attached to which unsaturated carbon? कुठल्या डबल बॉन्डच्या कार्बनला जाईल? CH2 ला जाईल Br आणि CH ला जाईल H. So it produces 1 bromopropane as a major product and 2 bromopropane as a minor product. Okay. Now this reaction, addition of halogen, formation of vicinal dihalide. Do you know? Alkene form addition product, that is vicinal dihalide with chlorine or bromine, usually in presence of carbon tetrachloride at room temperature. When chlorine or bromine is treated with alkene, alkene in presence of carbon tetrachloride, it produces vicinal dihalide. Okay, so this is the reaction 11वीला होती थी. Now next question, do you know, once again one question is there, the reaction of alkene with halogen can be carried out at higher temperature than it produces allylic halide. When alkene are heated with bromine or chlorine at higher temperature, वरती आपण पाहिला हॅलोजनची रिएक्शन अल्किन बरोबर केली, विसिनल डायहालाइड इट प्रोड्यूसेस at room temperature, it produces vicinal dihalide. But when alkene is treated with chlorine or bromine at higher temperature, hydrogen atom of allylic carbon is substituted with halogen atom, giving allyl halide. हायर टेम्परेचरला रिॲक्शन अल्किनची रिॲक्शन हॅलोजन बरोबर केल्यानंतर ॲलिलिक हॅलाइड तयार होतो. अँड रूम टेम्परेचरला when alkene is treated with halogen at room temperature, it produces vicinal halide, and at higher temperature it produces allylic halide. So when propene is treated with chlorine at higher temperature, it produces 1,1-dichloroproptwin, that is primary allylic halide plus HCl. This is a substitution reaction. Okay, now halogen exchange reaction. one halogen atom is replaced by another halogen, it is known as halogen exchange reaction. There are two types of halogen exchange reaction. First one it is known as Finkelstein reaction and second one it is known as Schwarz reaction. These two reactions are very important. खूप important reactions आहेत. When alkyl chloride is treated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, it gives alkyl iodide. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Alkyl iodide are prepared conveniently by treating alkyl chloride or bromide with sodium iodide in presence of acetone. The sodium bromide or sodium chloride precipitates from the solution and can be separated by filtration. Now, exactly what is the exactly definition of Finkelstein reaction? When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is treated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, it gives alkyl iodide. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction once again? When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is treated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, it produces alkyl iodide. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Okay. The precipitate of sodium chloride produced, which can be separated by acetone. The precipitate of sodium chloride produced, it is dissolved in acetone. So that's why acetone is used for this reaction. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Now, what is Schwarz reaction? Second type of halogen exchange reaction, that is Schwarz reaction. When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide are treated with metallic fluorides like silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, arsenic fluoride or antimony fluoride. When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is treated with metallic fluoride like AgF, Hg2F2, AsF3, SbF3, etc., it produces alkyl fluoride and this reaction is known as Schwarz reaction. Theoretical part वेगळा दिलाय. काय म्हटले बघा, alkyl fluorides are prepared by heating alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides with metallic fluorides such as AgF, Ag2F2, AsF3, SbF3, etc. This reaction is known as Schwarz reaction. These two reactions are very important. Finkelstein reaction are useful for the preparation of alkyl iodide and Schwarz reaction are useful for the preparation of alkyl iodide. Okay, so this is important reaction. Now, electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Hydrogen atom of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon are replaced by electrophile. This is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Hydrogen atom of an aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon are replaced by electrophile. It is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. So, can you recall? याच्यामध्ये दिलेल्या टेबलमध्ये identify the product of the following reaction. Identify the product of the following reaction. Benzene when treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. 11th standard को reaction हुई है. Identify the product of the following reaction. When benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it produces, what is the product? It is a substitution reaction and it is an electrophilic substitution reaction. It produces hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene, because of all the 6 hydrogen atoms of benzene are replaced by chlorine and it produces hexachlorobenzene. This reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. So, name the type of halide produced in the above reaction. So, it produces hexachlorobenzene. What type of reaction are shown by benzene? It is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. So, aryl chlorides and bromides can be produced by direct halogenation of